everybody. I am currently in Omotesando area. I just finished up with an appointment. And I thought since I was in the area, I would go to my favorite cafe for lunch. The one you guys have seen many times, but it's my favorite place to grab a salad and some healthy food. So I'm just walking there now. It's only, I think, like 12. So perfect lunchtime, nice and early. I had such a good sleep last night, so good. I got to bed before 12 finally, and yeah, slept till 8, and I feel like those are good hours for me. Like, I got really good quality sleep because I've been getting to bed at like 2 a.m. recently. But yeah, I can see such a difference in the way I feel today. So thank you guys so much for wishing me well before and asking me to take a break because I hate taking breaks. I want to see you guys every day, but yeah. Yesterday I just decided to do a shorter video instead of a full day vlog. I'm going to Hong Kong on Friday. So these next 2 days, Wednesday, Thursday, today's Wednesday, I'm gonna be just getting all these little things done before I go there. So I just finished up with one appointment. I am getting my nails done later because these have outgrown, these beach day nails. And then also it was Alexa's birthday before, but she was in Taiwan and then Hawaii, and she's finally back in Japan. So we're gonna celebrate it together tonight. I'm gonna take her out for dinner. So I have to find a gift for her actually. So yeah, nails, find a gift, dinner with Alexa, spend some time with Rosie. That's the plan today. First lunch though. Finished lunch. It was delicious as always. I'm gonna head back home now, take Rosie for a little walk, edit the little video I made yesterday, and then design my nails, and then go out again. I'm home now. I just walked Rosie and she pooed and it got all over her butt. So now, although I'm quite rushed for time, I have to get her in the bath. And come on, come on. No, 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 you have to go. You have a poopy bum. Come here, come here. Oh, it's okay. Alright, that's done. No more poopy bum. You want treats? Okay, video is edited, uploaded, and scheduled. I have about 10 minutes now to figure out what I want to do with my nails and sort of make a design so that it's easy to explain. I've got it. Let me show you guys. I like the heart on the tips of my nails. I want to do that again. Some sparkles, mostly clear color because I like going with either clear or like a milky white base because it goes with any outfit. I'm gonna do some strawberries. This is like a for my bakeoute event, so kind of baking. I want to do cupcakes with sprinkles, strawberries, little strawberries here, one big sort of 3D cupcake here. There, I'm gonna do something simple with a heart and a line. This is gonna be clear, sparkles, heart. I have about 10 minutes to find her something nice. I just got her a bouquet of flowers, and I'm gonna try and find her maybe something in Snido because this stuff will look gorgeous on her and everybody loves Snido. Okay, so if I was to describe Alexa's style, it would be classic, elegant, feminine, but has a little bit of a cool edge to it too at the same time. So I think I found something that she will really like and kind of matches all those elements, and it's something that I actually would want to wear myself. So that's when you know it's good because I really like it. So I got her that and they're wrapping it up now. I'll show you guys in the store maybe if I pass it again, but I'm gonna grab a quick iced coffee. This is the dress I got. It's like a long sleeve brown knitted dress. I think it will look super cute with knee high, like over the knee boots and one of those big hats. Very cute. Ah, arigatou gozaimasu. Kawaii, kawaii. Arigatou gozaimasu. もう一枚いる? Okay, I got everything done. On time too. I think I'm just like 5 minutes late, which is okay. So yeah, let's head to the nail salon. It turned out so cute. I'm home now. I want to come home quickly to walk Rosie, make sure she's okay, and charge my phone. And I'm starving, so I'm eating some grapes. I have to leave in about like 10 minutes. Alexa's here. Look how gorgeous she is tonight. And then there's me.
Okay, so this little, it's really little tiny thing, little present, but I thought it was so adorable.
From Hawaii?
Yeah. Oh. You know what a crazy fridge magnet lady I am, so I got you.
That's so cute. I have a lot of my friends too, actually. That will get on it.
Minato.
Yep. And
this. Thank you. This is like Christmas came earlier.
I hope you like it. Do you want this bag?
Yes. Well, this is so nice because of the new apartment. I can put them on the table.
Exactly. That's what I was thinking of.
You have to come over.
Yeah, Alexa got a new apartment. I haven't seen it yet. I've just seen photos and it looks so pretty. Did you finish decorating?
Yes, I finished decorating, but you should come over. Can I open it?
Yeah.
So pretty.
Isn't it nice? So I thought you could wear it with like, like over the knee boots and like a hat would look so pretty and like wavy hair. Yeah.
With a leather jacket would look nice too.
Yeah. I don't want. So we've got a little salad here. It's called the vitamin salad. It's really yummy.
That's really good.
It's so tasty.
That's the one your friends always recommend?
No, the one you got. This is just, I like this one. This is Alexa's. She got the souvlaki. I got the meatballs again.
They're really hot, but they're really good.
Too hot now?
It's perfect. It doesn't even taste like veggie.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
That's why I wanted you to get dessert.
To make a wish.
Yeah, make a wish.
Oh my god. What do I want? I have almost everything I've dreamed of.
There's nothing you want?
Okay, I'm gonna dream for my family. For my brother's baby.
Yeah. Yay! Happy birthday! Dinner was really good, but I have to tell you guys, if you're here on a budget, don't go to that vegan restaurant because it's really expensive. I just like to go to it for special occasions now, so I want to take Alexa somewhere nice for her birthday. But the food is really good, so if you don't mind spending a little bit extra, because the portion sizes are a bit small and it's a bit expensive, so if you want to eat a lot, because I can eat a lot, so yeah. So I'm just running my bath now. I'm gonna take a bath, read a bit, and go to sleep. And tomorrow I have an event. To go to. I have to pack because I'm leaving Friday morning. Get everything ready. I just tried on the dress I got for the event and I don't know if I really like it now. I feel like it's a bit too, I don't know, maybe I should wear something more casual. I'm still deciding, but I don't even know if I have enough time to go find something else somewhere. I'm so nervous to meet you guys. I'm like questioning everything. Does this look okay? Does that look okay? What do I do? I will be vlogging every day in Hong Kong too, and I'll be vlogging at the event. So those of you who aren't there can still see what's going on. So please look forward to that. I'm gonna get some rest and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hey, you guys still there? Still watching this? Say good night to them. Good night. Good night. Oh.